Hey there, so at the end of my last video I stated that sound waves are on the level of energy, but I must correct myself and say that it's on the level of matter, since matter is localized energy densities. Okay, so when we're considering the propagation of energy through the medium in terms of sound waves, then these are localized energy densities bouncing off each other. Okay, so this is not on the same level as the propagation of information through the foundational medium itself, which is light, okay, of which everything is composed. And so when that light is, for lack of a better word, compacted and its energy density is increased, that's when we experience what we call matter. Okay, so depending on the level of energy density, right, it's energy density variables, energy density differentials, right, then the light or the information propagating through the medium of light cannot penetrate this physical object. Okay, it bounces off, and you get things like refraction, reflection, and so on. And we can see the subject, right? This object of higher energy density. Whereas in space, which is like I gave the analogy of ice, right, where the energy density is at its maximally expanded state, and therefore also that combined with its information structure, or lattice, you might say, whatever you want to say, is at its most coherent, making it a solid. Okay, but it's like a super solid with properties of a fluid as well. So okay, so this explains why the so-called light speed is fastest through space rather than through the physical atmosphere here, slower through the air, slower through water, and then slower through solid, right, which are increasing levels of energy density. Okay, coming down like this, okay, most expanded at the top in space and coming down, increasing in energy density. Then and also explains why the speed of sound, which is the propagation of like localized energy densities bouncing off each other, right, with what we call matter, doesn't exist in space, because at its highest energy density here, right, this is where there's the most compacted, most highest energy density, and so therefore sound, which are localized energy densities bouncing off each other, are at its fastest, and then decreases with a decrease of energy density. Okay, so by the time you get into space, where there are not enough localized energy densities for those localized energy densities, which we call sound waves, that bounce off each other, then it's pretty much non-existent. Okay, so hope that clarifies, and I look forward to speaking with you in the next video. Take care.